Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Xtrfy MZ1 gaming mouse and I'm going to show you how can you easily check your battery level using your mouse. At first we have to switch our switch to RGB off over here to the RGB. Is the third option. Like that. Now we have to just check. We have this button over here and clicking on this button over here, and the color is what battery level we have. If our battery LED is red, it means that we have battery between 0 and 25%. If our color is orange, we have from 26 to 50%. If our LED light is yellow, we have from 51 to 75, and if it's green, it means that it is between 76 and 100%. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.